want y'all to see this like film.
Hey, grind.
Lots of fog at night, red brake lights. The freeway beside a restaurant, cold egg white sat on my plate like 3 a.m. This is a spot frequented by some made men. I'm high on hemp, a fly old pimp just walked in, his suit was shark skin. He woke me up from some of the thoughts I'm lost in. What fame does to niggas, change love to bitterness. Friends to fiends for the audience screams ridiculous. Jumped up me and my tab, got in my Benz with. To my old housing tenement, visit my old friends. Some show love and some are envious. Some got the heart of gold, some venomous. At times I wanna go back to being penniless. Ignorance is bliss, I love being innocent. But life's got me on the fence again. And all is real, so all worth mentioning.
I could press pause or fast forward past the hardness. Visions written bring words to life like some smitten twist. Memories real, still ill. Now I appear crisp like film.
White House, Rocksteady.com.
Ice on gold, from Mossbergs to golf clubs. Ninth hole, the white rose, the life I chose. Bandana over the eye, Dior sandals. Car doors rise with no touching the handles. Capiche, Capri salads on beaches and islands. Far from police.